Guys, it's Mario. Welcome back to the channel. How's it going? We're continuing The Sound of Madness by Shinedown. Let's see if it'll pick up. Okay, my phone is not going to be a good source. But I've shown it on the previous episodes, so you guys know what it looks like. Anyway, we have now moved on to the deluxe edition tracks. I've fiddled around with the OBS filter so you guys can see me a little bit better. It looks like an improvement, better than what it was, because it looked a lot darker and you could barely see me unless I have my TV turned on. It looks a lot better for me, but you guys let me know in the comments if it looks alright. We are on to the deluxe edition tracks. We are on to the energy. Now, why in the fuck? Now tell me, why in the hell did I not hear this before? Like, I've heard it on Monday Night Raw. This song was used on Monday Night Raw, guaranteed. Because I've been watching since I believe late 2012, early 2013, somewhere in that general area. And this song was definitely used. I just couldn't remember its name to save my life, and I couldn't quite hear enough of the words to figure it out. And why is my TV? What the hell? Oh, that's why. My voice control was the voice control on my Roku remote was picking up what I was saying or trying to. Anyway, this song was definitely used from WWE's Monday Night Raw, so I think I recognize it. For the rest of this album, we are just going to use my phone as far as audio. Okay? We're going to see if YouTube gives me as much help for the smartphone version as opposed to the desktop. Because I'm going to be mad if I'm going to have to redo some of these songs. If I have to, so be it. But I'm used to using the lyrics from YouTube Music anyway. So I'd rather do it this way. So here is The Energy by Shinedown. All rights go to them. Daddy, cover your ears. Gulp. Let's see how it goes. And this is just my speaker. Make it up as you go along. Why pretend that you're something that you're not? I believe in you always will. Ever since you told me for real. Try emotional mood swings to come on now. Gather up all your tenacity. Take my hand, 'cause I set you free. Who cares who's there to stay and tell you how I look? I'm not for sure if they know you by name. Who cares? They share everything. I don't think of you. Everybody's playing fucking games. Alright. Such an enemy. Alright. Just such an energy. Let me feel fly. Put your fist in the air. Yeah, I'll read the lyrics after. I know. Live, that's how I want you to feel tonight. Live, you're only here once, so do it well. Fight! All you need, there's no reason, some help, there's some reason. Learn to see. Tell you can't be bought, so break the silence and tell them who you are. Cause I wouldn't stop. Who cares who's there to stare and tell you how I look? I'm not even sure they know you by name. Who cares who's there to share what they think of you? Everybody here plays the same fucking game. Alright. Energy. Alright. You're such an energy. Let me see you fly. Put your fist in the air. Tell me how you feel is strong enough. Tell me, 'cause all your eyes are on you now. is now my favorite Shinedown song. Who cares who's there to stare and how you hella look? I'm not even sure you know your by name. Who cares who's there to share what they think of you? Everybody here plays the same fucking game. Alright, alright, alright. You're such an energy. Alright, alright, alright. You're such an energy. Let me see you fly. Push your fist up in the air. The energy. Oh, wow, you're such an energy. Wow, you're such an energy. Yeah, I know. This was definitely used on Raw for years. Oh my gosh, and I can see why. Um, you make it up as you go along. Why pretend that you're something you're not? I believe in you and always will. Ever since you told me you were for real. Inside emotional mood swings soon collide. Now gather up all your tendency. Take my hand 'cause I set you free. Who cares who's there to stare and tell you how I look? I'm not even sure they know you by name. Who cares who's there to share what they think of you? Everybody here plays the same fucking game. Alright, 3 times. You're such an energy. Alright, 3 times again. You're such an energy. Let me see you fly. Let me see you fly. Bleh. Put your fist up in the air. Just do it. Alive, that's how I want you to feel tonight. Live. You're only here once, so do it well. Fight all you need to rise up and give them hell. There is no reason to wonder if you should. Go tell them you can't be bought or sold. Break your silence and tell them who you are. Because they're all witnesses to a shooting star. And then chorus again. Tell me how you feel is strong enough. Tell me because all your eyes are on you now. Chorus again. Dude. Badass track. This and another one that I'm not going to mention because it'll be on the list very soon. There are a couple tracks on here that I am not going to do. Second Chance Acoustic. Done that. We did the original, so there's no point. The Crow and the Butterfly Pool Mix. I don't even know what that means, but we're not doing that. And Breaking Inside because there's a version with Lizzie Hale. Not doing that since we already did the original. Alright. Shameless plugins I forgot to do. EV Soldier 96's Gaming is where you go for gaming content from me, and I will do a review of this album where I speak about how I feel about the songs lyrically. Yes, even though I botched quite a bit of this album, it was worth it. I tried. But I'm going to listen to this song one more time before I do the next one. So I hope you guys got something out of The Energy by Shinedown. Go listen to the song yourself. It is very good. And let me know how the cameras look and everything. Make sure it looks. I'm not looking for perfect. I'm just looking for decent where you guys can see my face. Okay? I think I did pretty decent with somebody who has no clue what the fuck they're doing with these filters and shit. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. Peace!